punta tayong lahat dito. Kita tayo dito sa confirmation trial ni so that they will see kung gaano tayo kadami talaga. We've proven that sa midterms elections. We've proven that 2016 nung pagkapanalo ni PRD. And itong confirmation trial, if they are, so itawag hagit sa Tagalog, yawa.
Hagit.
Hinahamon.
Hamon.
Kung hinahamon nila tayo na they will, gather, they will congregate to make a demonstration, then we will also accept the challenge. So, yung mga interesado, if you want to, fight for former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, be here in The Hague. We'll gather ourselves peacefully and show all the support that we can.